Someone has a job interview today. Yeah, exciting. Feeling ready? Feeling good?
No.
You can't be shy. They're gonna see that as weakness.
I am weak.
Gotta show. What? No, don't say that in the interview.
I am weak. I just want to get paid.
Let's do a little test run.
No.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I didn't say take 5 years to answer the question. Okay, maybe a different question. What makes you a great employee?
I work hard.
You work hard. Great. Because every other applicant we've had said that they are a piece of shit, lazy as hell. We've been waiting for you. You totally got this in the bag. You're gonna crush it.
Hey!
You good?
No.
You got this.
No. I don't like it. I don't like seeing people. I like meeting people.
People love you. You're very likable.
No, not when I'm anxious.
You should have worn a button-down shirt. Just in case it starts going south, you can, take it down a few.
You're the reason why I'm gonna fail this interview. Terrible advice. Useless advice.
Worked for me. Okay, break a leg. See you in an hour. In a universe plagued by low FPS, high temps, and whatever's going on here, Starforge Systems has come to save us all. Forged on the taint of a dying star, Starforge PCs aren't just computers, they're really fast computers. With a legendary lineup spanning every need and budget, there is no gamer too green nor veteran too elite for the Starforge arsenal. Horizon PCs are crafted for everyday gamers and first-time adventurers. Experience fast and affordable without having to choose between playing hard and praying card doesn't get declined again. Navigator PCs are built with next-gen components, designed to launch your gaming experience into space for longer than 10 minutes. Just saying. And Voyager PCs offer the highest-end hardware known to mankind, delivering frame rates so smooth they could butter a whale. And for the refined warriors who whisper, "I shall game, but with taste," the Explorer PCs feature 0 RGB and maximum elegance. So if you're ready to conquer galaxies, snag the greatest PC in the universe with Starforge Systems. Click the link in the description for more info on their full lineup and prepare to ascend. She's back!
What is that?
I got you pastries, a jalapeno cheese pastry, and some coffees. How did it go?
Actually, I think it went pretty well.
Yeah? You want to talk about it off camera? Yeah. Now let's transition from your work life, where you get dressed up in nice suits and you go on interviews and talk about 401ks. Now we're switching over to my work life, picking up a cat shitter. I need a new litter box. We're in my world now.
Your world.
Are you though?
The frick? Working
Are you
corporate?
though? I mean, for a stable paycheck, it's not bad. It's
All right,
not
let's
a bad
switch
way to
jobs.
go.
Let's switch jobs.
I can't do a normal job now. I institutionalized myself from being self-employed for so long that if I went back to an office job, I'd start biting people's ankles or something. I don't know. So this is the Litter Robot 4, and I'm not gonna give you a full review or anything like that, but I am so shocked that I have not seen one good tutorial on this thing. So I'm gonna give you a quick breakdown. It's gonna take 20 seconds. The first thing you do is fill it with litter roughly to the line. Then you just lay down a bed of $700. I like to use hundreds. It just goes much quicker that way. And if you're really efficient with this, you might think, oh, I'll have some money left over. Trust me, it takes all of it. And that's pretty much it. The cats will just shit all over your money, and once the sensor detects that the paycheck you worked for is in the toilet, it will start a cycle. And that's what you're really paying for here, is automated suffering. When the bin gets full, you do need to empty it. You can see here, I got instant ramen. Your mileage may vary. It could be an eviction notice. Sometimes it's just a bullet and a gun. It really depends on your cat's diet.
Come try these viral peach ice creams with me. I'm so excited to try these. It's so cute. They're like little mini peaches. I believe this is like a white chocolate coating on the outside. Actually, it's pretty good.
I love how we're both belly. We're just like.
I hear this is pretty good. All right, enough of that girly crap. It's time to bust out the drill, boys. To fix my pretty cat tree. If you see this cat tower online, don't buy it. The material is hard. It looks plush at first. It's not. It's hard and lumpy, so the cats never use it. That's why they're on the couch all the time. This is my couch, so I'm gonna pop these off and make my own.
Like a man.
Time to drill, drill. Feel the drill, baby. Put a little tree nut in there. Sometimes you gotta force it. Houston, we have a problem. I was hammering away on the tree nut and then this just fell off. I don't know if it's because it's soft wood or what, but that kind of sucks. Maybe this one will work. Don't do me like that. Can you please work this time? I think I actually need a bigger hole. This is too tight. That's what she said. Yeah.
It's a big boy.
It looks better. Please don't break. Yay. So yeah, on that first disc, I think I just used too small of a drill bit. So when I tried to hammer in the tree nut, it's splitty-witty, and yeah, as usual, user error. Showing. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh. No, it fell out. It fell out. No! Is this the wrong size? I bought the wrong size, didn't I? Son of a... Kyle, why are you an idiot? Why are you an idiot? You know, I could just take the tree nut out of the freaking flower. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. If I can get it out. Oh, get it out! The thing is really in there. Come out. There we go. Oh shit, no wonder it was so hard to get out. The base is flared. Actually, how am I gonna get this in? I'm so close to letting them stay on the couch. Come on. Yes. Yes. How far is this gonna go? Oh god, that's so wobbly. It's so wobbly, bro. Frickin' hell. I had some Velcro that I was gonna use to put this cute little cat bed on there, but this is so wobbly. Are you kidding me? This is insane. I can't deal with this right now. I gotta scrap this project for now and just sit back in awe of my inability to do the simplest DIY project. I'm just not man enough, guys. I'm not man enough. Plain and simple, I gotta put the drill away and go back to girl crap. What you doing over there?
I'm editing, thank you very much.
You trying to find a filter?
Yes.
A beauty filter?
Try to make yourself look pretty.
You're already so pretty though.
Not to the internet.
The internet. They don't know real beauty when they see it.
Oh.
All right, good luck finding a filter.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Legend has it she's still looking for a beauty filter to this day.
We're doing a late night Walmart run right now because I just acquired a $50 gift card here. These are some fatty sandwiches, dude.
Bro, $5?
This is $5? I could beat you with this. The $5 footlong is back.
Why does only this one have a sticker?
I'm sure they're both $5. Unless the American one's cheaper than the Italian. That's racist. These actually look pretty good. Yeah, you throw one of these bad boys in the air fryer, I'm sure they toast up pretty well. Is that a salad? Oh, pasta salad.
Pasta salad.
I knew it couldn't have been a real salad. What? We want the booze. Let's see how long it takes. It's been 6 minutes. I'm gonna hit it again. Maybe twice or 3 times.
So yeah, number 2.
Number 2, thanks. Final time was 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Not bad. You just gotta remember to hit the button 4 times.
Wait, stop me.
I thought you were gonna take one of them to the dome. Mel wants to get Battleship, but she says that they don't have it here, and I disagree. Battleship is one of the most popular games in existence, and Walmart definitely has it. They got Sorry, they got Trouble. Well, it's probably just sold out, because I don't, yeah. Oh, you found, oh my God, thank you so much. You just proved me right, which is a very hard thing to do.
It does have to be here, yes.
Right?
You would have found it if she didn't tell you.
That's besides the point. That's besides the point. Da, 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 da. I saw you looking at this. You want him?
No, he's gonna take his face. No!
I found you. I found you with a mushroom in your hands. It's not my mushroom. Throw him in. It's only $3.50. Thank God for Walmart. We got the stuff. We got the stuff. As thee knoweth, I am but a humble servant to my feline overlords. They have sent me on yet another quest. More fortuitous than the last, only the gods can say. But should I succeed in my bounty, mine own furry gods may bestow upon me the chance to watch the sun rise again tomorrow. Boy, you didn't even smile. You're not showing your teeth. And the girl just looks shocked and confused, like she has no idea what's going on. This is basically my face whenever a new GPU comes out. This is a really nice frame that I bought for the cat posters, except it came broken. Why you do this to me, boy? Cat Daddy's on the wall, looking mighty fresh. How you like me now? Baby, baby. Love how they turned out. They look great. I wonder if the cats are gonna notice these. Why is there a picture of me up on the wall? I guess we'll just have to wait around and see.